Welcome. This video will guide you on how to correctly use the Fostine-R pre-filled pen for subcutaneous injection. Always read the instructions for use and follow the guidance provided by your healthcare professional before administering the injection. Fostine-R is indicated for controlled ovarian stimulation in assisted reproductive technologies such as IVF and for fertility treatment in women with anovulation, including PCOS. It is also indicated in women with severe LH and FSH deficiency, and in men with hypergonadotropic hypergonadism to support spermatogenesis. The numbers in the dose feedback window represent the number of international units, or IU, and help you dial the prescribed dose, verify the injection, and read the remaining dose in the pen. Step 1. Prepare your Fostine-R pen and essentials. Prepare a clean and well-lit surface. Keep the pre-filled pen at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before use. You will also need alcohol swabs and sharps container. Wash your hands with soap and water and dry them thoroughly. Remove the Fostine-R pre-filled pen from the pack. Check the Fostine-R name on the pen and then check the expiration date on the pen. Step 2. Get ready for injection. Pull off the pen cap and check that the solution is clear, colorless and free of particles. Make sure the dose feedback window is set to 0. Select an injection site around your stomach area, as advised by your healthcare provider. And clean the skin with an alcohol swab. Step 3. Attach the needle. Get a new needle and confirm the outer needle cap is not damaged. Check the expiration date has not passed. Remove the peel-off seal. Screw the needle onto the threaded tip of the pen until light resistance is felt. Now remove the outer needle cap gently and put it on side for later use. Remove excess air from the needle before use. Press gently until a drop of medicine appears. Step 4. Dial your dose. Turn the dose selector until the prescribed dose appears in the dose feedback window. The smallest dose setting is 12.5 international units, and the dose increases in increments of 12.5 international units. Step 5. Inject your dose. Gently pinch the skin at the injection site. Insert the needle at a 90-degree angle and press the injection button slowly until it stops. The dose feedback window should return to 0, confirming the full dose has been delivered. Hold the injection button down for at least 10 seconds before removing the needle. Step 6. Remove the needle. Place the outer needle cap on a flat surface and carefully guide the needle into it. Unscrew the needle and dispose of it safely in a sharps container. Step 7. After the injection. Check that the dose feedback window shows 0. If a number higher than 0 appears, the full dose may not have been delivered. If required, administer the remaining dose using a new needle. Step 8. Storage of the Fostine-R pen. Replace the pen cap and store the Fostine-R pre-filled pen in a refrigerator between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius until the next use. Patients should contact a healthcare professional if they experience severe abdominal pain or swelling, difficulty breathing, rapid weight gain, and nausea or vomiting. These symptoms may indicate ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome associated with gonadotropin therapy. Fostine-R, the power of quality, delivering precise fertility support with convenient, clinician-guided administration.